XRP surges over 13% after Ripple and SEC drop final appeals in landmark case. Ripple, XRP. Both Ripple and the SEC dropped appeals, signaling little gain in continuing the case amid a mixed ruling and the SEC's easing crypto enforcement stance. Crypto reporter, Shalini Nagarajan. Crypto reporter, Shalini Nagarajan. About author. Shalini is a crypto reporter who provides in-depth reports on daily developments and regulatory shifts in the cryptocurrency sector. Author profile. Share. Copied. Last updated. August 8, 2025. Why Trust Cryptonews? Cryptonews has covered the cryptocurrency industry topics since 2017, aiming to provide informative insights to our readers. Our journalists and analysts have extensive experience in market analysis and blockchain technologies. We strive to maintain high editorial standards, focusing on factual accuracy and balanced reporting across all areas, from cryptocurrencies and blockchain projects to industry events, products, and technological developments. Our ongoing presence in the industry reflects our commitment to delivering relevant information in the evolving world of digital assets. Read more about Cryptonews. Ripple Labs and the US SEC have officially ended their nearly 4-year legal fight, marking one of the most closely watched cases in crypto history. The move sent XRP up more than 13% following the announcement. On Thursday, both parties filed a joint notice with the U.S. Court of Appeals for the Second Circuit, stating they would voluntarily withdraw their respective appeals. The SEC dropped its challenge to a 2023 ruling that found Ripple's XRP token was not a security when sold on public exchanges. Ripple, in turn, withdrew its cross-appeal. Each side agreed to cover its own legal costs. Ripple lawsuit sparked major test of how U.S. courts view digital tokens. The case began in 2020, when the SEC sued Ripple under then-Chair Jay Clayton, accusing the firm of raising funds through an unregistered securities offering by selling XRP. The lawsuit, filed in the Southern District of New York, quickly became a test case for how U.S. law should treat digital tokens. In July 2023, U.S. District Judge Analisa Torres issued a split ruling. She found that Ripple had indeed violated securities laws when it sold XRP directly to institutional investors. However, she said that sales to retail investors through public exchanges did not meet the definition of a securities offering, a conclusion widely seen as a partial win for the broader crypto sector. The SEC appealed the retail sales portion of the ruling last year, while Ripple filed a cross-appeal seeking to defend its position in full. Ripple secures closure as SEC scales back aggressive crypto legal strategy. But after Donald Trump returned to the White House and installed new leadership at the SEC, the agency began stepping back from several enforcement actions. More than a dozen crypto-related cases and probes have since been dropped. Ripple and the SEC agreed in June last year to resolve the remaining penalties tied to the case. Judge Torres imposed a $125 million fine and a permanent injunction barring Ripple from violating securities laws in future institutional sales of XRP. That penalty, now in escrow, will be transferred to the U.S. Treasury following the conclusion of the appeals. Negotiations earlier this year to lower the penalty amount failed, with Judge Torres rejecting multiple proposals over procedural issues. The dismissal of the appeals finalizes the settlement terms, bringing the long-running dispute to a close. Now, with the 2023 ruling intact, legal observers say the case may become a key reference for how courts evaluate whether crypto assets qualify as securities. For Ripple, it clears the way to expand operations, particularly in jurisdictions that have already adopted clearer regulatory guidelines. Follow us on Google News. Trending news. Recommended popular crypto topics price predictions. How Tether co-founder William Quigley views crypto regulations in Trump's second term. Trump appoints PayPal veteran David Sachs as White House AI and crypto czar. XRP price prediction. Japan's first Bitcoin XRP ETF set to launch. Is this the trigger for $100 XRP? XRP price prediction. XRP climbs as Bitcoin stalls. Could $10 come this week? Perplexity AI predicts the price of XRP, Solana and Cardano by the end of 2025. Price analysis. XRP price prediction. Trump's $8.7 trillion 401k crypto plan could trigger XRP explosion to $1,000. 1 day ago, by Alejandro Arich. Altcoin news. XRP surges over 13% after Ripple and SEC drop final appeals in landmark case. 2 days ago, by Shalini Nagarajan. Price analysis. Ethereum price prediction. ETH breaks $4,000. Could a new ADH be next? 20 hours ago. By Arslan Butt. Best crypto to buy now in August 2025. Top crypto to invest in. 3 days ago. By Alan Draper. New cryptocurrencies to invest in August 2025. Top new crypto coins. 1 day ago. By Inesis Tavares. 13 best crypto presales to invest in 2025. Presale crypto list. 1 day ago. By Alan Draper. 15 new and upcoming Coinbase listings in August 2025. 5 days ago. By Elijah Rankovich. 15 new and upcoming Binance listings in 2025. 4 days ago. By Elijah Rankovich. What is the next crypto to explode in 2025? 4 days ago. By Elijah Rankovich. Bitcoin, BTC, price prediction 2025 to 2030. Just now. By Leon Waters. Ripple, XRP, price prediction 2025, 2026 to 2030. July 5, 2025. By Eric Huffman. Ethereum price prediction 2025 to 2030. Will ETH bounce back? April 2, 2025. By Ben Beto.